Did you know that a cluttered home can scare off potential buyers? Imagine walking into a listing and feeling overwhelmed by unnecessary items. Clutter can steal the spotlight from your property's best features, making it harder for buyers to envision themselves living there. This is where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in. As a veteran-owned cleaning service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes into inviting spaces that sell. Our professional team understands the urgency realtors face when prepping properties for showings. We offer quick turnarounds and meticulous cleaning that highlights every corner of your listing. A sparkling clean home doesn't just look good, it enhances buyer confidence, leading to quicker sales and better offers. And here's a quick tidy tip. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before showings. A well-lit space feels more welcoming and showcases your home's best attributes. Ready to elevate your listings? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Visit our website or call us at 210-951-8206. Let's make your properties shine with TidyTex.